Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 MDX. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, ambient lighting, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find heated seats, airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, capless fuel filler system, trip computer, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, multifunction display, one-touch windows. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.